Hello, my dear beloved viewers. Welcome back to our channel. IP exams, intermediate public examinations. మే మంత్ని స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి డ్యూ టు దట్ రీజన్ చాప్టర్ వైజ్ 1B as well as 1A, 2A as well as 2B. చాప్టర్ వైజ్ 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్, ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్, గ్యారంటీ క్వశ్చన్స్ 100%. నేను ఈ వీడియోని చేసినటువంటి ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ గ్యారంటీగా మీరు రాయబోయేటువంటి పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో 100% ష్యూర్ వస్తాయి. కాబట్టి వీటి కన్నా జాగ్రత్త తీసుకున్నట్లయితే డెఫినెట్గా మీరు ఇంటర్మీడియట్ పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చాలా ఈజీగా మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేయవచ్చు. సో బెటర్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ దీస్ లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ టైప్ క్వశ్చన్స్, that is 7 marks questions, especially for IPE purpose. So in this video I have to give some questions with solutions, elaborate solutions, detailed explanation. First chapter, differentiation 7 marks questions. Especially in 7 marks questions, logarithmic differentiation is essential for us. ఎందుకంటే వాడు ఇచ్చినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్లో ఎక్కువ భాగము లాగరిథమిక్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఇస్తున్నాడు. సో దాంతో స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. సో వెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ లాగరిథమ్ మీన్స్ ఎనీవన్ if of f of x whole power g of x, function of function, that means suppose x square is there, the differentiation is 2x, but whereas x power x, we can't write x into x power x minus 1, because here this is a rational number, but this is a function variable. So whenever f of x whole power x, function of function is there, just at that time take logarithm on both sides and differentiate. So for that one problem, y is equal, if y is equal x power tan x plus sin x power cos x, sin x power cos x, sin x power cos x, find dy by dx, find dy by dx, find dy by dx. Okay. Remember, you see, first of all, you have to observe the given one, x power tan x. That means this is the variable, this is also a variable. So, function of functions. Here also function of functions. So, just what you have to do is initially given that y is equal x power tan x plus sin x power cos x, sin x power cos x. Okay. So if you take straight away logarithm means here is a problem for you. Suppose if you take logarithm both sides means log y is equal log of this one. Log of x plus y need not equal to log of x plus y need not equal to log x plus log y. log x plus log y. There is no formula for log of a plus b or log of x plus y. So due to that reason, just what you have to do is simply మీరు దీన్ని సపరేట్గా u అని దీన్ని v అని అనుకోండి. సో లెట్ u ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ x పవర్ tan x and v ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ sin x పవర్ cos x. sin x పవర్ cos x. sin x power cos x. Okay, you see here there is no formula for log of x plus y. So that's why you have to separately write their functions as u and v. Then here this is the equation 1. So equation 1 becomes y is equal u plus v. y is equal u plus v. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx plus dv by dx. Equation 2. You see, first of all we have to consider this as u and this as v. That becomes y is equal u plus v. Now differentiate with respect to x. What will get for y? dy by dx. Okay, is equal du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, now take u is equal x power tan x. Now take logarithm. Now you can take logarithm, taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, we get taking log on both sides, we will get what will get? Log of u. Taking log on both sides, here log of u is equal log of x power tan x. Here what is the formula? Log of a power m is equal m into log a. Here is the formula for you. That means this power becomes multiple. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి ఈ పవర్ ఏమవుతుందంటే దీని యొక్క మల్టిపుల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి x పవర్ tan x. సో log u is equal tan x into log x. Now you can differentiate with respect to x. So first of all what you have to do is, for this type of problems, initially don't consider logarithm because plus is there. Whenever plus and minus is there, there is no formula for this one. Whenever log a plus b or log a minus b, there is no formula. So due to that reason, initially what you have to do is, let us consider each one separately as u, v. Suppose 3 functions will be there, again some function w or what it may be. So remember this one. After that take one by one and taking log on both sides, differentiate. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x. Okay. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. For log x, what is the derivative? 1 by x. For log u 1 by u into for u du by dx. Okay, here d by dx of log u. Okay, for log x 1 by x is there, for log u 1 by u, but u is a function of x. U is a function of x. So we have to write du by dx. Du by dx. Okay. Now here tan x into log x. Tan x into log x. That means tan x and is one function and log x is one function. So product formula. What is product formula means? Here product formula f of x and g of x. Two functions will be there. What you have to do is simply first function into derivative of second function. Derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Simple. First function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Simple thing. Okay. Product formula. In the same way, same for tan x into log x. So take first one tan x into log x derivative. That means d by dx of log x. D by dx of log x. Okay, again plus second function into d by dx of tan x. D by dx of tan x. Okay, d by dx of tan x. Okay, now d by dx of tan x. So here du by dx is equal, this 1 by u becomes u into here tan x into log x means 1 by x. Okay, plus again log x into here log x into here log x into tan x derivative secant square x. Tan x derivative secant square x. Okay. What is u? Here x power tan x. X power tan x into tan x by x. Tan x by x plus secant square x into log x. So this is nothing but du by dx. So this is equation 3. This is equation 3. Next, here sin x power cos x. Next, also v is equal sin x power cos x. Here again second function v is equal sin x power cos x. Same. Take log on both sides. No need to write the step again. Just one time we have to write down. Log v is equal log of sin x power cos x. So this become log v. Okay, log v is equal cos x into log of sin x. Log of sin x. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. That means for log v 1 by v into d by dx of v. D by dx of v since v is a function of x, so 1 by v into dx, d by dx of v. Again, here product formula. So first to the first function into derivative of second function, log of sin x, plus second function into log of sin x into first function derivative. Here product formula, we should write like that. Here product formula. So first function into derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function. Now this becomes, this is nothing but 1 by v into dv by dx. Now here cos x into, for log x, what is the derivative? 1 by sin x. For log x, sin x. For log x, derivative 1 by x. Here log of sin x. For log x, 1 by x. For log sin x, 1 by sin x. Again sin x derivative. Again sin x derivative. Again d by dx of sin x. Okay. Here you see first function derivative of second function. Here this is the second function. So log of sin x. For log x, what you have to write? 1 by x. In the same way, log of sin x, 1 by sin x. Okay. 1 by. Again for the derivative of that inner function. Okay. Next here also log of sin x into, for cos x, derivative is sin minus sin x. Okay. Therefore this becomes finally dv by dx is equal v into this u into, here cos x by sin x means cot x. So cot x into for sin x cos x. Okay. Minus sin x into log of sin x. Okay. You see here what is v? V means sin x power cos x. So finally this dv by dx is equal, here v means, just I have to write down in the top corner here. Therefore dv by dx is equal, v means sin x power cos x, into, here same, cot x into cos x minus sin x into, here sin x into log of cos x. So this is equation 4. Now from 2, what is 2? dy by dx is equal du by dx plus dv by dx. This is the equation 2. That means here we have to substitute these two values. Here second equation, this is the second equation, this is the third equation. Just substitute. So therefore dy by dx is equal, simply du by dx means this one, x power tan x into tan x by x plus secant square x into log x. Okay. Plus next this one, sin x whole power cos x into cot x into cos x minus sin x into log of cos x, log of cos x. So this is the solution for the given problem. సో చాలా ఈజీ అండి, వెరీ ఈజీ. జస్ట్ ఇనీషియల్లీ మీరు జస్ట్ కన్సిడర్ యాజ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఈజ్ సపరేట్లీ యూ అండ్ వి. Now again just you have to substitute, you have to differentiate. After that consider each and one separately and taking log on both sides. Just you have to substitute those two values. Okay, simple one, 7 marks question. So for logarithm functions especially these problems may be given. Next, another important question. Another important question, sin x whole power log x, sin x whole power log x plus x power sin x, x power sin x. So these very important questions regarding IP purpose. మీరు ఒక 6 క్వశ్చన్స్ 6 or 7 క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు మ్యాక్సిమం 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ అండి. ఈ 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ కనుక ప్రిపేర్ అయినట్లయితే గ్యారంటీగా మీకు 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ అనేది 100% వస్తుందండి. జస్ట్ ఈ రోజు నుంచి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోండి. ఈ వీడియోలో మీకు ప్రతి ప్రాబ్లం కూడా డీటెయిల్డ్గా సొల్యూషన్ అయితే ఇవ్వబడుతుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ sin x పవర్ log x if y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ sin x పవర్ log x, sin x పవర్ log x ప్లస్ x పవర్ sin x, x పవర్ sin x. Find dy by dx, find dy by dx, sin x power log x, sin x power log x, sin x power log x plus x power sin x. Okay, then find dy by dx. Same model. Initially what you have to do, solution given y is equal sin x power log x plus x power sin x, equation 1. So these are under plus sign is there between them. Whenever plus and minus is there, there is no formula in logarithm, log of a plus b or log of a minus b, no formula for that one. అలాంటి వాటికి ఎలాంటి ఫార్ములా లేదండి. అందువల్ల సపరేట్గా మీరు యూ హ్యావ్ టు కన్సిడర్ u and v. So let u is equal sin x power log x, sin x power log x. V is equal x power sin x, x power sin x. Therefore 1 becomes y is equal u plus v. Now differentiate with respect to x. That means simply dy by dx is equal du by dx plus dv by dx. This is equation 2. Finally you have to substitute. That's all. Simply what you have to do, from 2 again 3 and 4, from 2 3 4 directly you should add those two. Okay, now take u is equal sin x whole power log x, taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, comma, we get log of u is equal log of sin x power log x, sin x power log x. So this become here log u is equal simply log x into log of sin x, log of sin x. Here you should write down the formula log of a power n is equal n into log of a power n into log a, n into log a. Okay, log of a power n is equal n into log a. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. That means here product is there, first function and second function, product of two functions. You should write the formula. Okay, f of x into g of x, two functions, product of two functions. So first function into second function derivative plus second function into first function derivative. Product formula. Initially uv formula, but we had considered u and v is there. That's why we didn't write that formula. uv whole dash, u into v dash plus v into u dash. But here you need not write that one. Already u and v is there. So that's why two functions, two different functions. Now for log u, what is the derivative? 1 by u. Again for u, du by dx. Here first function into derivative of log of sin x. What is the formula? For log x, 1 by x, that means 1 by sin x into for sin x. Here you should write again d by dx of sin x. d by dx of sin x. Okay, again second function log of sin x into here log x. For log x derivative is 1 by x. For log x derivative is 1 by x. For log x derivative is 1 by x. You see, first function into derivative of second function. So this is the derivative. That means here log of sin x. Initially log x is there. For log x, what is the derivative? 1 by x. For log of sin x, 1 by sin x. Okay. Again here function is sin x is there. Again differentiate that one. Okay. Okay. So I have to write down here. Now here du by dx is equal u into here log x into 1 by sin x into for sin x derivative is cos x. For sin x derivative is cos x. Here plus 1 by x into log of 1 by x into log of sin x. Log of sin x. What is u here? What is u? Sin x whole power log x. What is u? Sin x whole power log x into log x into cot x. Log x into cot x. Here 1 by x into log of sin x. Log of sin x. So this is equation 3. Equation 3. Okay. Equation 3. Next again v is equal x power sin x. What is v? Second function x power sin x. X power sin x. So again same. What you have to do? Same. Taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Whenever function of function is there, taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Okay, we get we get just similar way. So log of v, okay, here also log of x power sin x. So this becomes sin x into log x, sin x into log x. Same, now differentiate with respect to x. 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 For log v, 1 by v. Again for v, d by dx of v. Okay, or dv by dx, or dv by dx directly. Here first function into derivative of second function. First function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. You see again here product of two functions, first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Okay, now here dv by dx, this 1 by v becomes v into this division becomes multiple. So transpose to right side. 1 by v and right side goes the multiple of sin x, v into here sin x. For log x, what is the derivative? 1 by x. For log x, what is the derivative? Log x. Plus log x into here sin x derivative. What is the sin x derivative? Cos x. Okay, sin x derivative cos x. Okay, for sin x derivative cos x. Now what is v? Just you have to substitute. V is equal here x power sin x. V is equal x power sin x into sin x by x plus log x into cos x. Okay, equation 4. Therefore finally from 2, 3 and 4 we have second equation. And what is second equation? dy by dx is equal du by dx plus dv by dx. Just you have to add these two, that's all. dy by dx is equal, write down that one, that's all. Sin x whole power log x, sin x whole power log x into log x cot x plus 1 by x log of sin x plus again this one x power sin x into sin x by x plus log x cos x That's all, over. Simply just you have to add these two, that's all. No need to simplify, you have to leave it, that's all. Just these two type of problems, simply first of all you have to consider separately u and v. After that taking separately and logarithm on both sides. Just simple way to solve this one. Okay, so easy అండి 7 మార్క్స్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఈ లాగరిథం డిఫరెన్షియేషన్లో మనకి చక్కగా ఇవ్వబడుతుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ వన్ హియర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ Next, another one, if x power a, if x power y plus y power x power y plus y power x is equal to a power b. Here, show that just in the previous one, just find dy by x. So at that time, no need to simplify. But here show that. That means we have to conclude according to the question. Okay, dy by x is equal y into here y into x power y minus 1 plus y power x into log y. Yeah, y power x into log y. Next, same x power y into log x power y into log x plus x into y power x minus 1. So this is the required one. Okay, this is the required one. Same here also same. We have to separately u and v. So after that, just we have to simplify according that one because show that is given. So show that అని ఇవ్వబడిందండి. ఇందాకైతే ఫైన్ dy by x వదిలేసాం, మనం యాడ్ చేసి వదిలేసాం. ఇక్కడ అలా కాదు, సింప్లిఫై చేసుకోవాలి. సో లెట్ us స్టార్ట్. సొల్యూషన్ given, here given x power y plus y power x is equal to a power b. Okay, equation 1, let u is equal to x power y, v is equal to y power x. Okay, therefore equation 1 becomes here u plus v is equal to a power b. Here a power b, here a power b. Now differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. So simply for u du by dx, for v dv by dx. Since there is no variable here, this is nothing but constant 0, that's all. Here for u is a function of x, that's why for u du by dx, for v dv by dx, this is nothing but constant. Okay, ఫస్ట్ మీకు ప్రీవియస్ దానికి దీనికి డిఫరెన్స్ చెప్తున్నాను. ప్రీవియస్ది y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు గివెన్, సో ఫర్ y dy by dx డెరివేటివ్. For a power b here 0, since a power b is a constant. So this is nothing but equation 2. Okay, equation 2. Okay, now take separate. U is equal x power y. So taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, comma, we get log u is equal log of x power y. That means taking log on both sides. That means log of u is equal x power y means y into log x, y into log x. Since formula log of a power n is equal simply n into log a, n into log a. This is the formula for u. Okay, n into log a. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay, for log u 1 by u, again d by dx of u. For log x 1 by x, so in place of x u is there, again d by dx of u. Here first function into derivative of second function, first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of second function. Okay, first function. So first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Here product formula fg, f into g whole dash. So first into second derivative plus second into first derivative. Simple. Okay, first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Here simply 1 by u, okay, 1 by u into du by dx, du by dx, okay, du by dx, y into here for log x 1 by x, okay, here log x into for y dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx. Therefore, du by dx, du by dx is equal u into y by x plus log x into dy by dx. Okay, now what is u here? X power y. So substitute x power y into y by x plus log x into dy by dx. Okay, equation 3. Equation 3. This is equation 3. So here du by dx, the value is like this. Okay, same, consider v. V is equal y power x. Okay, v is equal y power x. V is equal y power x. Same ditto. Now v is equal y power x. So taking logarithm on both sides, taking log on both sides, comma, we get taking log on both sides. Here function of function is there, so log v is equal log of y power x. That means simply log of v is equal x into log v, x into log v. Now differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiate with respect to x. For log v, here for log v 1 by v, for log v 1 by v is there, into for v dv by dx, for v dv by dx. So here also first function into derivative of this one, first function into derivative of log y, okay, plus second function into derivative of x, here product formula. So first function into derivative of second one plus second function derivative of first function. Okay, now here dv by dx is equal, this becomes v into here x log y, for log y 1 by y into dy by dx. Okay, here log y is there, for log y 1 by y, again for y is a function of x, so into dy by dx. Log y into, for x derivative is 1. So directly you can write, no problem, because here directly for log y 1 by y, again y dy by dx. Okay, next, so what is v? V means y power x. So this is nothing but, just we should write down here dv by dx is equal to v means y power x into x by y dy by dx plus log y. That's all. Equation 4. Okay. Now what you have to do is simply, you see, from 2, 3, 4, from 2, 3, 4, what is 2? du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0. What is 2? Equation 2, du by dx. What is equation 2? du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0. So, here 3, du by dx and dv by dx. So, therefore, from 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3, 4, we have write down here y by x power y into y power x plus log x into dy by dx, log x into dy by dx, plus again equation 4, y power x into x by y into dy by dx plus log y is equal to 0. So, what is the requirement to find dy by dx? That means all the terms regarding dy by dx must be kept in left side. Okay. So, first of all, you have to multiply. You see, x power y into y power x power y into y by x. Here, x power y into log x power y into log x, dy by dx, okay, plus same y power x into x by y here. Here you see, for y by x means what is the power for x? 1. X by y means what is the power here? Because a power n by a power n form is there, basis should be the power x into x by y into dy by dx plus y power x into log y is equal 0. Now, just kept this dy by dx term in left side one, remaining right side. So, here you see, if you consider this here x power y into log x plus here you see in these two terms y power x by here x into y power x minus 1. Okay, y power x by y means y power x minus 1. Okay, into dy by dx. Okay, in these two terms, just I have to take it as common dy by dx. Okay, x power y into log x plus y power x by y. Y power x by y means y power x minus 1. So, x into y power x minus 1. So, here just I have to shift to right side minus here this term becomes here x power y is x power 1. So, y into here totally y into x power y minus 1, okay. Here also same plus y power x into log y, okay. So, for this one, therefore, dy by dx is equal, of course, initially minus term is there. So, in the given question, you should write minus before bracket, okay, minus here just you should write y into x power y minus 1 plus y power x into log y. In the same way, same ditto, same this one, x power y into log x plus x into y power x minus 1, x into y power x minus 1. Here x power y into log x plus x into y power okay, log a. Here I have to write down, no problem. So just change the sign initially in the given question, then show that dy by dx, show that dy by dx is equal to, here put minus, okay, in the given question, minus, okay. So this is the solution. Here this whole term becomes under denominator, that means simply x into, here I should rewrite again, no problem. Here what I have to do is simply x power y into log x plus x into y power x minus 1, that's all, okay. So this is the way to do, okay. Just you should change minus in the given question. So this is the way to do, especially in logarithm functions. Remember, these three are very, very important. Please do seriously those problems, okay. Next another problem. Here you see, simply if y is equal tan inverse, if y is equal tan inverse, if y is equal tan inverse 1 plus x square under root 1 plus x square under root plus 1 minus x square under root whole divided by 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x square for 0 less than x less than y, find dy by dx, find dy by dx, find dy by dx. You see here under root 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square, here also root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square for 0 less than x less than 1. So find dy by dx, You see, whenever 1 plus and 1 minus is there, just you have to remember these two formulas. You see, 1 plus cos theta, What is 1 plus cos theta? 2 cos square theta by 2. Suppose 1 plus cos 2 theta is there. What you have to obtain? 2 cos square theta. In the same way, 1 minus cos 2 theta is there. What you have to write? 2 sin square theta. So no need to write theta by 2. That's why just you should remember these two formulas. Whenever plus is there, just 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal 2 cos square theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal 2 sin square theta. Simple one. In the same way, you see 1 plus and 1 minus. Only in these two functions 1 plus x square is there in this one. In this one 1 minus x square is there. That's why what you have to do is simply here simply this is nothing but cos 2 theta. Here x square is nothing but cos 2 theta. So here solution given that, write down y is equal tan inverse 1 plus x square under root plus 1 minus x square under root divided by 1 plus x square under root minus 1 minus x square under root. under root. Okay, so this is equation 1. Now what you have to do, simply according this one, this x square is only here, both are the same, 1 plus cos and 1 minus cos. So put x square is equal, simply put x square is equal, here put x square is equal cos 2 theta. మళ్ళీ కాస్ తీటా అనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, మళ్ళీ బై తీటాలో వేయాలి, బై 2 వేయాలి, అవసరం లేదు కదా. సింపుల్ స్ట్రైట్ అవే కాస్ 2 తీటా. ఎప్పుడైతే కాస్ 2 తీటా అనుకున్నామో ఇక్కడ మీకు వెంటనే ఏమొస్తుందంటే 2 తీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో తీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఆఫ్ కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్, ఆఫ్ కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. సో ఫైనల్గా మనం తీటా వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోవాలి. So 2 theta value cos inverse x square, theta is equal 1/2 cos inverse x square. So here now what is this value? 1 plus x square under root, okay, plus 1 minus x square under root whole divided by 1 plus x square under root minus 1 minus x square under root. Okay, here 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta under root. Okay, plus same one, 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay, whole divided by here you see under denominator 1 plus cos 2 theta, okay, under denominator 1 plus cos 2 theta minus 1 minus cos 2 theta, okay, 1 minus cos 2 theta, okay. Here 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta. So write down for this one 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta under root, okay. Next plus here 1 minus cos means 2 sin square theta, 2 sin square theta under this one, okay, whole divided by 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta under root here is equal minus 2 sin square theta, 2 sin square theta. Here you see 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal 2 cos square theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal 2 sin square theta. You see this is nothing but root 2 into cos theta, root 2 into cos theta. Again this is nothing but root 2 into sin theta whole divided by root 2 into cos theta minus root 2 into sin theta, okay, root 2 into sin theta. Now what is the given one here? Tan inverse. That means tan inverse of tan theta gives us theta. So under tan inverse means function must be obtained tan. Tan means sin by cos. Tan రావాలంటే sin by cos రావాలి. sin by cos రావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలంటే త్రూఅవుట్ కూడా దీంతో డివైడ్ చేద్దాం, లేదా కామన్ తీద్దాం. రూట్ 2 cos theta కామన్ తీసినట్లయితే బోత్ న్యూమరేటర్ డినామినేటర్లో మనం ఏమొస్తుందండి, ఇక్కడ నీకు చక్కగా రూట్ 2 cos theta, రూట్ 2 cos theta నేను కామన్ తీసినట్లయితే ఏమొస్తుందండి, ఇక్కడ నీకు 1 ప్లస్ root 2 sin theta, 1 plus root 2 sin theta divided by root 2 cos theta, okay. In the same way under denominator also same one, root 2 cos theta, root 2 cos theta into here under denominator 1 minus root 2 sin theta, root 2 sin theta by root 2 cos theta. మీరు ఇక్కడ అర్థం చేసుకోవాల్సింది, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ షుడ్ అండర్స్టూడ్, ఓకే. హియర్ tan inverse is there. So inner function must be obtained tan only. Tan means sin by cos. That's why what you have to do is just simply take it as common one. Okay. So root 2 cos theta is common one. So here factor is 1. So this is nothing but 1 plus root 2 sin theta by root 2 cos theta. Same. Okay. Here root 2 get cancelled. Okay. Root 2 get cancelled. Here also root 2 get cancelled. Okay. Here root 2 cos theta and root 2 cos theta get cancelled. Okay. Here totally this is under denominator. Both the factors have the same one, root 2 cos theta. So both get cancelled. So remaining here 1 plus, simply here you see 1 plus tan theta. Simply here 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. That means simply what you have to do is, this you can write tan pi by 4 tan A plus tan B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B form. 1 minus tan A tan B form. Simple. Here tan A plus B. What is the formula for tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. In the same way, this you can write tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Here 1 is there, multiple of. So 1 you can write tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. This tan theta you can write tan pi by 4 into tan theta. ఎందుకంటే ఫార్ములా రావాలి కదా, tan pi by 4 అంటే 1 అండి. సో ఇక్కడ మల్టిపుల్ 1 ఉంటుంది. సో ఫార్ములా రావాలి కాబట్టి ఆ విధంగా రాశారు. ఓకే. నౌ దిస్ బికమ్స్ ఎంత అవుద్దండి ఇప్పుడు మనకి. సో ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇక్కడ tan a plus b ఫామ్. ఎందుకంటే మనకి tan a plus b ఫామ్ కాబట్టి దీన్ని మనం ఎలా నోట్ చేస్తామంటే ఇప్పుడు సింపుల్గా మనం tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. First of all, you should note here you see here multiple of tan theta is 1. 1 into tan theta is there. That's why here to write in terms of tan a plus b means tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan a means pi by 4, tan 45 1. Tan theta is nothing but here you see tan theta you can write 1 into tan theta. This one you can write tan pi by 4. Have you clear this one? This tan theta you can write tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Why you have to write means tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. ఆ ఫార్ములా రావటం కోసం మనం ఈ tan thetaని 1 into tan theta అంటే tan pi by 4 into thetaగా నోట్ చేసాం. ఇది మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు దానిలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం. ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ tan pi by 4 plus theta. Tan pi by 4 plus theta. So therefore from 1, so this is from 1. Okay. This is 1. Therefore from 1 ఏమొస్తుందండి ఇది, this whole thing becomes this one. Okay. So just simply you should write here you see tan pi by 4 plus theta. So tan inverse tan of means pi by 4 plus theta. That's all. So y is equal simply pi by 4 plus theta. What is theta? Of cos inverse x square. So here you see of cos inverse x square. So y is equal pi by 4 plus of cos inverse x square, of cos inverse x square, of cos inverse x square. Now differentiate with respect to x. So dy by, for y, dy by dx is equal pi by 4 is 0. That is constant term. So half into half into, for cos inverse x, what is the derivative? Minus 1 by, here for cos inverse x, minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, that means x square whole square. Okay, again here first cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, already x square is there, so whole square, into d by dx of, into d by dx of x square is 2x. Okay, here cos inverse x square minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, again for x square derivative is 2x. So here we should write down the formula. Since d by dx of cos inverse x, d by dx of cos inverse x is equal minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, you should write down the formula. Okay, now here you see 2 get cancelled. So finally the answer is minus x by root of 1 minus x power 4. This is the dy by dx. This is the dy by dx for the given problem. Tan inverse root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square whole divided by root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square. So this is the solution for that problem. Okay. Next, another problem. If d, another problem here, if root of 1 minus x square plus root of 1 minus y square is equal to a into 1 minus a into x minus y. Then prove that dy by dx is equal root of 1 minus y square by root of 1 minus x square, or total under root, or sometimes you may write under root totally 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square, 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. So first of all, given that, you should write first step, given that 1 minus x square under root plus 1 minus y square under root is given by a into x minus y, equation 1. So first of all, you should observe the given problem. Here root of 1 minus x square, here root of 1 minus x square is there, here root of 1 minus x square and root of 1 minus y square. Whenever 1 minus x square is there means simply you have to substitute x is equal to cos theta or sin theta, no problem. You can write anything. Whenever a square minus x square is equal, put x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta, simply, no problem. Okay, here you see, just simply I have to write, put x is equal sin alpha, y is equal sin beta. Okay, or you can write x is equal cos alpha, no problem. There is no wrong in that one. Whenever 1 minus x square is there means simply because 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. That's why whenever a square minus x square is there, just you have to substitute simple ga meeru x is equal to a sin theta లేదా x is equal to a cos theta. ఇక్కడ 1 కాబట్టి a value 1. Okay, now you see 1 minus x square, here what is root of 1 minus x square, here 1 minus sin square, 1 minus sin square alpha, 1 minus sin square alpha. Root of 1 minus sin square alpha means cos square alpha, that means simply cos alpha. In the same way, root of 1 minus y square, same, beta, sin square beta. So simply cos square beta, cos square beta. So is equal cos beta, cos beta. Now you see from 1, what you have to obtain from 1, this becomes cos alpha, okay, cos alpha. This becomes cos beta is equal to a into, here this is nothing but x means sin alpha, y means sin beta, y means sin beta, okay. Now you see cos c plus cos d, here sin c minus sin d. What is cos c plus cos d formula? Cos c plus cos d formula. Cos c plus cos d is equal 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Similarly, sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d is equal 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay, simply cos c plus cos d form is there. So simply what you have to write? 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. That's all. Okay, in the same way right side, a into, here 2 cos c plus d by 2, a plus c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2, c minus d by 2. Okay, okay, here just I have to again write down, no problem. Here you see sin c minus sin d, a into 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, here you see 2 get cancelled, both sides. Cos alpha plus beta get cancelled. Here what is the formula? Sin c minus sin d, sin c minus sin d is equal 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. That's all. Just you should mention these two, otherwise marks will not be given fully. Okay, now you see remaining cos alpha minus beta by 2 is equal a into sin alpha minus beta by 2. So this will transpose to left side. What you have to write? Cos alpha minus beta by 2 whole divided by sin alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to a. Okay, now cos by sin means cot alpha minus beta by 2. పేరుకేమో డిఫరెన్షియేషన్, కానీ చేసిందంతా ట్రిగనామెట్రీ అండి. ట్రిగనామెట్రీ 90%, ఓన్లీ 10% డిఫరెన్షియేషన్. సో కాస్ బై సైన్ మీన్స్ కాట్. సో దట్ మీన్స్ ఆల్ఫా మైనస్ బీటా బై 2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ సింప్లీ కాట్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఏ. కాట్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఏ. దట్ మీన్స్ ఆల్ఫా మైనస్ బీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 2 కాట్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఏ. 2 cot inverse A. Here what is alpha here? X is equal sin alpha. X is equal sin alpha. That means alpha is equal sin inverse X. Beta means sin inverse Y is equal 2 cot inverse A. 2 cot inverse A. Okay, here you see X is equal sin alpha. X is equal sin alpha. Therefore, alpha is equal sin inverse X. In the same way, Y is equal sin beta. So, beta is equal here sin inverse Y. Now, you can differentiate easily. Differentiate with respect to X. Differentiate with respect to X easily. Here for sin inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square. For sin inverse y 1 by root of 1 minus y square. Here right side is constant 0. Simple one. Okay. Simply you have to obtain the result. Okay. Let us continue here. You see, for sin inverse x, derivative is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Here x is there, so no need to mention again function. Sin inverse, for sin inverse x, derivative is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. For sin inverse y, here derivative is 1 minus y square under root into for y dy by dx. Since y is a function of x, so right side is constant. So just transpose to right side, this becomes minus 1 by root of 1 minus y square dy by dx is equal minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So minus minus get cancelled. So finally dy by dx is equal root of 1 minus y square by root of 1 minus y square. That is, you can conclude for the required one. Dy by dx is equal 1 minus y square by 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square under whole root. So hence the solution. సింపుల్ అండి. దీనిలో ఆ ఐడియాని మాత్రం రావాలి. ఎక్కడైనా సపోజ్ రేపు పొద్దున 1 ప్లస్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, రూట్ ఆఫ్ 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ దేర్. సపోజ్ ఇదే ప్రాబ్లంలో మీకు రూట్ ఆఫ్ 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ట్యాన్ తీటా అనుకోండి, అంతే సింపుల్. 1 ప్లస్ ట్యాన్ తీటా, 1 ప్లస్ ట్యాన్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా, సీకెన్స్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా లేదా కాట్ తీటా అనుకోవచ్చు. సో గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, మైనస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సైన్ తీటాలో అయితే కాస్ తీటా అనుకోండి అండర్ రూట్లో. అదే 1 ప్లస్ ట్యాన్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా అండర్ రూట్ 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ 1 ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు సింపుల్గా ఎక్కడైనా మీరు ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ట్యాన్ అనుకోండి లేదా కాట్ అనుకోండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఏది అనుకున్న ఫార్ములా ఉంది, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఎందుకంటే రేపు పొద్దున 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఇచ్చానుకో, మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ సైన్ అనుకుంటే పొరపాటు, ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ట్యాన్ ఆల్ఫా అనుకోండి. ఓకే, కానీ అలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ లేదు మీరు సైన్ హెచ్ ఆల్ఫా కూడా అనుకోవచ్చు, సైన్ హెచ్ ఆల్ఫా కూడా అనుకోవచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే 1 ప్లస్ సైన్ హెచ్ స్క్వేర్ ఆల్ఫా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ కాస్ హెచ్ స్క్వేర్ ఆల్ఫా. ఓకే, కానీ అంత దాకా లేదు, ఇది స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం మీరు చక్కగా చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ లాస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో. y is equal, if y is equal x into root of a square plus x square plus a square into log of x plus root of a square plus x square. Show that dy by dx is equal 2 into root a square plus x square, 2 into root of a square plus x square. So what is given? Y is equal x into root of a square plus x square plus a square into log of x plus root of a square plus x square. So now we have to find, show that dy by dx is equal 2 root. Okay, so direct problem. So directly we have to differentiate. So first of all, what you have to write now means given. Again write down the given one. So given that solution, here given that, simply you should write again given that or given that. So this is the solution. Now differentiate with respect to x. Okay, here for y derivative is dy by dx. Here x is one function, root of a square plus x square is another function. That means product formula. But here this is constant. That means only single formula. Okay. Now first into derivative of a square plus x square under root. Okay. First into second derivative, first function derivative of second function plus second function here this is second function into derivative of first function. Here, since two functions will be different, product of two functions, EV formula. What is EV formula? EV formula, u into v dash plus v into u dash. So product formula, EV dash, product formula, first into second derivative plus second into first derivative, uv dash, u into v dash plus v into u dash. Okay, so first function derivative of second plus second into first function derivative. Again here clearly you see plus a square. For log x, what is the derivative? 1 by x. For log x, derivative is 1 by x. That means 1 by x plus root of a square plus s square into d by dx of under root function is there. So x plus root of a square plus x square. Okay. Now you see simple. For root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. For root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Under root again here function is there. That's why just what you have to do is d by dx of a square plus x square. Remember this one. Initially for root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x, but in place of x under root a square plus x square is there. That's why again you have to differentiate. Plus root of a square plus x square. Okay, for d by dx of x means first x derivative 1. Okay, now here plus a square into 1 by for a square into 1 by x plus root of a square plus x square. Okay, into again for this one x derivative 1, here root derivative 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root x into under root derivative here 0 plus 2x. Under root derivative here for a square derivative is 0, for x square derivative is 2x. Okay, you see here also same, here x by 2 root a square plus x square. Okay, x by 2 root a square plus x square. Here a square derivative, is 0, x square derivative 2x. Okay, here next plus root of a square plus x square, root of a square plus x square into 1. Okay, next you see here x by 2 into root of a square plus x square into derivative of this one. For a square derivative 0, for x square derivative 2x plus root of a square plus x square into 1 root of a square plus x square. Okay, now here a square by x plus root of a square plus x square. Okay, into here you see here what is the value? Here 2x and 2 is get cancelled. So here you see this is the LCM for it. Okay, here a square derivative 0, so 0 plus 2x gives us 2x. So 2 get cancelled. So finally here a square plus x square, a square plus x square is there. Okay, a square plus x square plus finally x. Okay, here. Okay, here. So you see under bracket only you have to cancel under bracket only. Okay, here you see here LCM is root of a square plus x square. So root of a square plus x square plus 1 into x. So here this is the same one. Okay, this is the same one. Now you see 2x into x, 2x square by here 2 root a square plus x square. So 2 get cancelled. Here also root of a square plus x square. Finally here only here a square, here a square by root of a square plus x square, a square plus x square. Okay, now you see finally simply take the LCM. Take the LCM. Simply here you see, here LCM is, finally you see x square by a square plus x square is there. Okay, here root of a square plus x square is there. Here a square by a square plus x square is there. Okay, now take the LCM as root of a square plus x square under root. Now this become x square. Now this become, here by 1 is there, so a square plus x square, here a square, that's all. So finally 2a square plus 2x square is there under root of divided by a square plus x square. So here take 2 as common, a square plus x square is there under root a square plus x square is there. That means just you should write this as root of a square plus x square. Here you see, simply what you have to write is, simply here x by root x means root. So simply here once again root of a square plus x square whole square, or root of a square plus x square. Simply x you can write root x into root x. Okay, no problem. Okay, here get cancelled. Suppose x is there, x you can write root x into root x. Okay, root x into root x. In the same way, this you can write root of a square plus x square and root of a square plus x square. Root of a square plus x square get cancelled. So finally here dy by dx is equal to root a square plus x square. dy by dx is equal to root a square plus x square. సో మీరు చక్కగా ఈ 6 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అయినట్లయితే ఇంకొక 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయండి. ఈ 10 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కనుక చేసినట్లయితే డెఫినెట్గా మీరు 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ 100% ఆ 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ నుంచి వస్తాయండి. ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఈ 6 అనేది చాలా మోస్ట్ పవర్ఫుల్ క్వశ్చన్స్. సో ఈ 6ని ఈ వీడియోలో మీకు ఇవ్వటం జరుగుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో డెఫినెట్గా 4 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా డిఫరెన్షియేషన్లో తీసుకుంటానండి, చాప్టర్ వైజ్ కూడా. సో మీకు ఎక్కువ మార్కులు తక్కువ టైంలో ఎక్కువ మార్కులు సంపాదించే విధంగా ఆ వెయిటేజ్ని బట్టి మీకు ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈవెన్ 1A 1B 2A 2B. ఓకే, సో చక్కగా ఇవి బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోండి. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవరీ ప్రాబ్లం కూడా డీటెయిల్గా ఇవ్వటం జరిగింది. సో ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్ దిస్ వీడియో, ప్లీజ్ గివ్ మీ 1 like. And also at now, if anyone not to subscribe my channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon. Also, if you think it is very much useful for the others also, means just forward or share this video or my channel to your well-wishers and neighbors, and also give me your heartful comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you very much.